In this video, I'll show you how to use metaai in simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether it's organizing your day or sparking your creativity, metaai is here to help. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you find this video helpful, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Step 1. On your browser address bar, type metaai, click on the first result. Click on Try metaai. You will see Ask AI Anything. There are two icons on the left-hand side of the page. The first one is to start a new conversation with metaai. The second one is to generate an image using metaai. You can choose any one of them at a time or go down below to ask metaai anything. Step 2. Type in your prompts to ask metaai anything. You could ask it to write text for you or generate an image. I asked it to generate 10 social media posts about making money online. As you can see, metaai generated 10 social media posts just like ChatGPT. I also asked it to generate image for me. Here's how to. In the text box, type /imagine followed by your prompt. Click on the send arrow button, and then wait for results. I was asked to log in with Facebook. You could be asked to sign up if you do not have a Meta account yet. As you can see, it could not generate the images based on my prompt. I guess it was too complex. I wrote another prompt which reads thus. As you can see, it generated 4 images and I can decide the one choose from. I can as well save all. To save your generated image, click on the 3 dots on the top right-hand side of the image, click on Download and save it where you want it saved. Repeat for other generated images. One amazing feature with metaai is the ability to animate your generated image. To do this, click on one of the generated image and click on Animate. So we have it. Thanks for tuning in to us today. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more exciting content by subscribing to our channel, hitting that like button, dropping a comment, and sharing this video with your friends. Bye for now.